Hello, I'm Adam, and today I want to show you very useful thing that will save you a lot of time if you are like me when there is a trip and you are about to lose your wallet or anything else important. And today I want to present you a Ugreen card styled tracker, which is designed to work with Samsung SmartThings. So it will work generally same as the Samsung SmartThings, which is great. And of course, it's worth to mention that there are three versions available. One is for Samsung, second is for Apple Find My, and third option there is for Google Find Hub or something like that. And why I chose Samsung version? Because I heard that Google Find Hub is not working flawlessly. So it was like, okay. Apple version, of course, I didn't talk because I've got Android. And Samsung version was my choice because anyway I've got Samsung SmartThings, so I will use one application, which will be convenient. Okay, now let's start with the unboxing. Oh, by the way, Bluetooth version 5.3. And battery size, operating time 12 months. I will be happy with half year, but anyway. There is one difference with Ugreen, that this card is charged wired, is charged by cable. Yes, we should have somewhere, oh my gosh, a lot of papers. We should have, okay, there it is. USB cable for charging, which is magnetic on one side. Okay, and the card itself looks like this. And okay, how does it feel like? Standard card. And how about the size? Yes, okay, it's worth to note that the Ugreen smart card is, as you can see, a little bit smaller than standard credit cards. Just very little, but it's worth to note because I heard that if you've got wallets like so you've got this spring mechanism and it pop out, it would have problems in this. It will be too loose for this approach. Let me check. Yeah. So this card is not suitable for this mechanism, but anyway, this is aluminum, 1 millimeter thick. It's like RFID blocking thing. Yeah. So anyway, you shouldn't put your Bluetooth tracking card into aluminum casing because it won't work. Yeah. So, but just have it in mind that this is slightly smaller than normal card. Okay, and regarding charging, we've got this cable and okay, pretty strong magnet, as we can see. That's fine. Well, I will just press the button once and we've got Ugreen Tracker Slim add. Don't tell me that would be it. Okay, those things needs to be closed, but wow, I'm impressed. Confirm. Guys, that's how it's supposed to look like. And that's it. And we've got this card. Okay, downloading necessary files. Wow. Battery is okay, enough. And that's good feature. If I double press, it will look my phone, and vice versa, of course. How's the speaker loudness? Because we've got some tones. Loudness is high. Well, okay, so we are checking those tones on mobile. Okay. Okay. Well, I'm not sure how you hear that. Okay, so I've got Samsung Smart Tag 2, and this is sound sample of volume when triggering to look for it. Okay, and now I will use a card. Well, it's just like different tone, but maybe Smart Tag is slightly louder, but nothing, not a lot. And now it's time for the old Samsung Smart Tag. Um, did something broke? What? Now let's check how does it fit in the wallet. I have, to be honest, no idea where is the speaker. But okay, let's try with this. Okay, so yeah, it fits just like two cards, so yeah, without any noticeable difference.